What's up, YouTube? You know, so you miss me, you know, my people them from 416 to 876 Jamaica, you know. You know, I miss me, man. But me take a one look at break and I go to the American public, you know what I mean? So me have them footage there. I want to show, you know, and thing. So me just take a one break and just take a look and relax. Although me have build a house at Jamaica, same, you know, people. And I see outside, look here now. Yes, my people. The winter is on, you know, man. The winter is on, my people, for me right here now. You understand? So like me that say, yeah, we take a one look break, we go DR, we spend a one trip. Lost my suitcase on vacation, so the trip wasn't that good. Come back to Toronto, still a wait. Put on my luggage, you know, my people. Alright now, I still not get no luggage yet. My $1,000 speaker, my clothes, paper, all they left me with is my underpants and my clothes for my back and my little bag of me bring. I have to buy all the 1-2 clothes over there. You understand, my people? So, and I like me don't want to make no vlog, you know, my people. Like I telling you already, you have to have your mind set to make a vlog every week or every two vlogs a week time, you know, my people. But we can pass that, we can come and we talk again with people. Because like I say what we are talk, we are talking, you know. Yeah, man, my people. So, like I say, the week there, we got there last week and thing like that. And now we're back again. We've been back for like a week now. But I take a little break off because my knee feels so good. I get sick over there. I think I have gas problem and beer. Them come back, I have to take beer pills and stuff like that. So doctor said I can't drink no more beer. So we have to cut off of the beer right now. But other than all this, you know, so we come back to talk about the dream house in Jamaica, you understand? But people, come to talk about, you know, right now upon the dream house, I think right now we're priming out the spots. So in between you go see videos and clips. You don't know me do the thing from a long time. Right? So I prime it out and I think the window man there I install the window brackets and stuff to install the windows down the line and things like that. But the next video, you're gonna see the worst styling job in a life. Cost me so much money and thing and then wrap my tile them up and now the next video that still know my people, cause like me say, it a draw close to finish up the place, but I thought so. Father God put me in the next direction and tell me so don't finish it up here, man. So now the next video we talk about that, but right now my people, what we are talking about is the snow over there now, my people. You see that, my people? Right now I snow this now, my people. Real ice, you know. You understand? Real ice out of now, my people. That me make you know, you know. So imagine you have to get up 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, you know, my people. Forgot work, you know. I'm showing you something, you know, my people, because some people think I joke, you know. Ice is, you know, my people. Ice, you know. Go in your freezer, Jamaica, or your freezer, wherever you at, and make an ice ball, you know, my people. This, we have to come out, you know, and work, you know, my people. So I imagine, you know, people, you come out 4 or 5 o'clock, you know, negative 7 or 10 this morning, me see, you know, my people. But wind chilling, you know, my people. So you come out 4 or 5 o'clock, you know, my people. I'm talk to you, man. Take with camera. You come out 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning like me used to do, you know, my people. Because me used to do salt truck job, you know. And so you try to build all one place at Jamaica, you know. People don't understand what we have to go through over yesterday to make that work, you know. You understand? People don't know what we have to go through to make it work. I hear, you know, people. 4 or 5 o'clock we have to get up in the cold. Let's see the jacket. You think of fashion what wear them things over here for? And because it's cold. So when a man, you see a man do come to Jamaica and I build up him one property, one bedroom. No bad mind the brother people. No do that, man. Think they break my heart when return resident. People and spend 60 years, 40 years, 50 years in this school, yeah. And if you come back to Jamaica and murder them, you know how much sacrifice and sufferation we have to go through in this. Eh? You don't know them things, you know, so I don't even talk about Jamaica alone, I talk Caribbean or people overseas, you know. Because not Jamaica alone, people go back but dead, you know. All over, and you know how much sacrifice people have to do over this. Get up 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, snow reach all them knee. still have to get up and go work. If they not go work, them fear them get fired. Bills to pay, mortgage to pay. Some of them people have mortgage, all them are 65 and still have to work. And the people them say, alright, finally them people have to look at house. Finally. Them people have to look at car payment and look at house and then say, alright, cool, we have a look at savings. I go back a yard. I want to see them one bad mind the people them to kill them. Because they think because, oh, you think them rich? And the richness do it. The people them over here work hard. Go to school, get education, this and that. Stuff one can do over there too, you know. But someone choose not to do it. And so down and beg for a phone. Yeah. And some see someone choose not to do it. Okay. You go to school at Jamaica. Because I'm a Jamaican, you know, so I just give a Jamaican example. Right? You go to school at Jamaica. Alright, fine. You drop out. Fine, you never get no CXC. Fine, only one job you can get a local labourer job. Okay, so you don't get a skills then. Eh? When you get a skills, when you get a trade man, for train, teacher, for do something, go do welding, masonry, painting, electrical, plumbing, something. When you make somebody teacher, you don't got art, take a look at money and save it. Over here, saying people have left them work and go to school for better themselves, you know. All have 2 jobs. 16 hours straight. Them have to go, them go home, them spend a little time in them bed. And have to come back out in this cold. Yes, cold. Because cold people. Yeah, yes, freeze off. You think look at eat when you stand up. Oh yeah, hey, hot, me no want to know. Labor. Job. Because it's sun hot for you a bucket. Let me tell you something right now. Whole heap of them people are Mexican and Jamaican and Caribbean people up here. When summertime come, summer hotter than Jamaica. And them they up there doing them roofing job, them construction job. All type of job outside and I eat. Because you have wind in Jamaica. When up here get humidity. No wind now blow. You understand? No wind now blow. Nothing. I will still have to strive it. Summer, hot, winter, no matter what the weather. We have to out there to look it. Because what? We are trying to look better for ourselves. We are trying. I know they can try too. So no do that. Up here so twice as hard. Yes, Jamaica minimum wage is garbage. Yes, we understand that. Or minimum wage pass garbage up here $15 an hour. You know what you want 1 bedroom at Toronto right now for rent? Eh? Not even understand, man. And most of the people who are complaining about minimum wage at Jamaica, them don't want to go better off themselves. Me see my sister, what she do? Go to school, get her CXC them. Boom, get a call center job. She get above minimum wage. Where you pass it, she was only 19 years old. So when I come tell me, someone on waste on a damn life at Jamaica. And sit down and I beg foreign people or family members over anywhere. All in Jamaica, you sit down and beg your brother and sister who have a better job than you. Because what? You're too worthless. Worthless. Yeah. I mean, I gotta tell you that. I know worthless down there. Most of them are worthless. I mean, I talk. Hold on, you know. Because like me say, you know, my sister 19, 20, you know. And she get up go work and get her CXC and her subjects them, you know. And go out there, you know. I know people. Then get up go do them farming, you know, young youths. For sure, yeah, you know. Young youths get up go learn trade. And I make whole heap of money, 100,000, 150,000 a month. Yeah. But some man just get up and want beg and chop line and do what? Eh? And do what? Eh? When people come to Jamaica and want to rob and kill them because you see John Paul over there, so I build a house. You think a rich John Paul rich if you build a house, eh? Me I build my house at Jamaica by myself right now. At 3 years I gone from 2020. So what now? 2021 we started, 2022. Next year 2023. I'm still can't done yet. Because what? You have to get up go walk. You think that it's just dropping a people lap, dropping a people hand? Think that's how life go? It not go so, you know, my people. It not go so. We have to work hard over here, and cool. You see, I see the white thing on the ground, I'm sure, no, man. Because I don't think I joke, you know. When you see it out there, sir, I think I'm chatting things this out of some people. I'm not chatting things that hear my people. That are snow, that are ice on the ground. Ice. Ice we have to get up and work in our daytime. Ice. God bless. When summertime come and we do get the nice weather them. But majority of year this way I look upon. Them jacket and nothing. You don't think our fashion we read them things here for. We don't read them for fashion. We read them because it's cool. Yeah. Because it's cool. You understand my people? Oh, I'm not really tarry too long for it, my people. I'm just make you know what my face over here, sir. Or what we face over here, sir, my people. You know, easy upon we, my people. And a lot of people like us to go, alright, Christmas time I come. And I beg with money. And I see on a barrel now come. You think I know want to send no barrel or we can give you 50 or 100 or 200? And because we don't have it. You think I have my last $500 in my account and send you $50 out of it or $100 out of it and suffer next month when rent will come? You think I can do that? We have to wait. You know think we know so alright, so it's hard down there to sometime we wish we can sell all on a 2-3 barrel. We wish when you call pan we over there. We can say, yo, send John Paul or send Ricky Box, send Bobby Bugang, send whoever. A 5 bills, yeah, man. Because we have it like that. You're wrong. People are over here so can't find rent more time. Sometimes I'm have to choose. Yo, should I go out this week? Or you know what? I can't even go out this week, you know, my birthday, you know, but you know what? I'll just buy a one buckle and go settle it inside here, man. That's how we have to live over here, sir. We have to choose happiness or rent sometime. Some people have rent, car payment, insurance, food, credit card bill, cable, internet bill, hydro, everything. We have over here so for pay for, you know. We don't get nothing free over here, so, you know. You know, if you're not a family member over here, so dog, name yourself, you know. That me make you know, you know. To show you over here, so hard, you know. No help, no there, so, you know. Yes, you can go up on welfare and get your $400 an hour, $400 a month. What that I got to do for you? Think $400 can help with a month time? There might get a subsidy rent. Yeah, subsidy this, subsidy. You know how hard it is still over here. If you want to come and foreign and live like one low life and boom, you can come do that too. Yeah, government wouldn't mind you. For that you want. But the hard working people who come over here and live over here and I try to make a better. No pressure them, man. Then can't help you out this month, man. You know say people will send you a thing and next time when they can, man. No do that to it. No do that to it, man. No do that to it. Dad, everywhere we go, man, with people. A wicked palm with everywhere. Like me say, me I build this one house 3 years now by myself. God bless my family them who can lend me money here and there. I max out my credit card, this and that. I still have to get up. Not cool tomorrow, cool me going again so no. For go work. Nothing free. Look on all my car, people. Ice that, you know. Ice me have to go dig off of my car, you know. Ice. I'm not going nowhere today, you know, my people. But the ice that me have to go dig off of my car. You know, see that at Jamaica. You know, have to go dig off no ice at Jamaica for your car. That not go on, so. You understand? But like I say, right, I know throughout the video again, my people. Like I say, we are talking with people, so sorry for the aggressionness, but sometimes people have to feel the aggressionness. So they can feel what we are going through over here, so understand, say. It's not pretty everywhere. It might pretty on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. But it's not pretty in real life when you see some just protect the poor local people them when to come to Jamaica try. Buy all one drink and buy all one box with a piece of KFC here and there. No pressure them. Because them come to Jamaica just to have fun too, you know. Them not come to Jamaica for mind you, you know. You and you, you know. And that me make you know, you know. We not come down when winter come like this, you know. I get where we want to get away from the cold, you know. And take a look at break for clear your head, you know. For come back a yard, for come back up, for come work again, you know. Because it's not easy, you know. You understand it not easy, you know. So I'm going to start my car. 2 days now, I'm going to start the car there, you know. And I get cool over here too, you know, my people. But yes, my people. This is how far we reach from the house. Like I say, we reach much further than this, you know, people. So I'm going to start trying to drop more and more video quicker and quicker now. Probably 2. Probably drop a next one by Sunday. 2 next week. Like I say, December I try to go to Jamaica. The showing is probably really there from the house, but I don't want to skip the processes. The process them part is probably there already. and you never get to see it. Me understand, so now me have to jump back on the vlogging thing. Wicked I know. You understand me people, but more on the tank again, you know, people. For like, share and subscribe to the channel and stand continue. Give me a little support, you know, my people, you know. So blessings, you understand? Like I say, love the comment section, you know, because I always give back on the feedback. And I like that. You understand some people? So like I say, I talk, we are talking to my people, making us see the process we are go through of building this Airbnb dream house out here in Canada, in Jamaica, while I live in Toronto. You understand my people? Yeah man, my people, I need a little line up, but like I say, I lost my suitcase at airport. I'll know them to link me back. Everything in my suitcase, I shave them, all of my stuff, them clothes, all of them things there, still there in a suitcase, lock up when me forgot DR right now. But I'm going to post them videos there for you to, you know, my people. So no, don't get it twisted, you know. We think I went to Puerto Plata. I like the DR compared to Jamaica, you know, because me think the DR safer than Jamaica when me go there for tourists and vacation. You understand? So, but like Jamaica home at the end of the day, but if me have money, me da buy one condo in a Susua and rent that out too. So if people are $100,000 US dollar for a nice 2-bedroom condo with pool and everything, you know, my people. Yeah man, that cheap. You can't find that at Kingston. Can't find that at Mobile. You see where me I go from now? So, and a nice brand new place that me I tell you now them are developed to, you know, my people. So if you can invest, get something like that too. Nice investment property, vacation property. When winter time like this come up, we can just boom and cut. You understand me? I try for some peeps. Yes man. So at them type of vibes that when they put right now, my people. You know, say I send me, I go send off a $50 to cozy right now. Man, they pay me for a month, 2 months no straight, you know. But you don't not understand. So I send you know want to send it. We not have it more time, you know, my people. But you know what? Just call me on them for just stop message me about the local money part. I go over Western Union or MoneyGram right now. As we even speaking. For go send off the local chillings. Because that then call it down there local chillings. Because they must look $50 or $100 no money. And they don't know how hard it is for us for work $50 or $100 for the day, you know, my people. And that them don't understand. But we just go and watch it, you know. I'm saying I go to Jamaica this trip. A man or a soul don't ask me for nothing. Because when me day up here, I can't call a man or a soul for go up at my house. To even look on the house, you know, my people. To send me a one video. You know, my people. I beg me, I say I beg, you know. Beg, you know. I know it's hard and you can't go out there, but judge a God, man. 6 months to a year, you can't even see, you know what? The youth they always send me a money, you know what? Let me take if I bust me, I have to go take on a taxi, I go out there for the youth. I make him see what I go and I take back a box on a taxi, go back down. I make him know. You're so a place, look. Big up yourself. You know how much family and friends would have happy for you all that you take your time out of your day and show them love there. Next time when you call upon all a man like that, you know. You call a man a foreigner and you do that for him, you know. The man you say your cause send a 50 or 100 come give. You think the man are going to tell you no? The man I take him time and say, yo, bless up, you know, because you do that for me, you know. You go send you all a bill of money. That's your word. But you don't know about them kind of hardness there. No more know about them thing there. You know much family member would appreciate that. If you just take on the time for show them love there. You see your family, your brother or your sister build a house next door. And you can't send a video. Go give the man or the woman and say, yo, Kerry, Jerry, and Kenny, I saw your place look over there, so no, no. I go and update you. God bless the people that support me there, you know. Soldier and them woman, you know. God know, you know, and all the man who are ripping me house, you know. Because at this morning, the man link me and say, yo, blood, you know, say the place so I cut down. When I even go charge you, you know, cause. And me don't know them people from Adam's Apple. I go and buy land and meet them people there. And the man I say, yo, I cut down that man, I don't want nothing from you, man. Just bless up yourself, man. Have a good day. I clean up the land for you, so when I fall down, you see how it is. And me have to say, come on, not. Still have good heart, good people at Jamaica, you know. And everybody bad over there. But some people just wicked, man, and just make your heart cross against them. You see it? But you still have a good, nice people, them too. You understand, my people? You see? I'm cool now, my people. You can see it, you know. For sure you over here, wicked man we know, man, my people. Hope some y'all have some money in my pocket, can't send off enough. And people are not even take debit, I don't know what kind of business them are running on my people. But people, I guess we are going to end off the video, you know. I want to know just go and watch the painting process, the priming process right now, and we look at the installation of the columns and stuff. I want people to like, you know, share and subscribe and push the words out, you know. Push the words out to the people, them, man. Many people them understand, man. When I reach over here, so we work hard and are cool right now, freezer box. Cool like ice. Cooler than ice. Alright. So people, please like, share, subscribe. You don't know it's your boy Director J, 416-876 Jamaica. I'm out.